In this guide, we're going to be breaking down how you can go ahead and update your motherboard BIOS. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is go down to the search bar on your desktop, and what you're going to want to type in is system information and go ahead and open it up. Once it does open, look for your baseboard product. As you can see, mine is right here. And go ahead and copy your motherboard name. You can use Control-C to do that. And essentially, go ahead and now open up a web browser of your choice and go ahead and paste in that motherboard name, hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. You'll see the official manufacturer page for your motherboard. Go ahead and scroll down, select it. If you don't see it on here, go ahead and type in update right after, and then you should see it on here. So go ahead and select that. And this is where you're going to want to scroll down until you see the specific option for BIOS. Once you do go ahead and do that, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is look for that latest BIOS version and make sure it is newer than the one that you currently have installed. Once you have confirmed it, download the BIOS file, and after downloading it, you're going to want to move that file onto a USB drive. Just make sure it's placed directly on the USB drive and not in any folders. This is important so that your motherboard can detect it properly. Now, what you're going to want to do is go down to the very bottom, select this little Windows key, hit this little power button and hit restart. But as you hit restart, you're going to want to go ahead and hold shift or repeatedly press delete or F2 on your keyboard. Every single computer kind of does this differently, so you might have to do it a few times in order to get it to pop up. But this is going to take you into your BIOS menu. Once you are inside that BIOS, look for the tab called Tools or something similar, and from here you can find your BIOS flash utility. For example, on Asus motherboards, this is called Asus Easy Flash. Inside the flash utility, you'll have one or two options: update via USB or update via the internet if your motherboard does support it. If the internet option is available, you can do that. If not, that's why we have that USB option available. So go ahead and use that USB that we just got set up and follow the on-screen instructions, and just make sure not to turn off your PC while BIOS is updating. Whenever it does finish, your system will automatically restart and you'll be good to go. But that is it. Your motherboard BIOS is now updated. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.